Good morning, people. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are watching the video. How are you doing? How is everybody doing? Good morning, guys. Welcome to my vlog of today. And thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. My returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys. So, in today's video, we are going to make what you are seeing there. We are going to make pancakes. Yes, we are going to make pancakes, and this time we are going to use milk and carrots. So we are going to make what we call carrot pancakes. So these are my grated carrots. This is my grated carrots. That's the all-purpose flour. And then we have salt there. We are going to add salt according to your taste. Yes, our salt, and then we are going to use milk. You can use water or milk. Yeah, you can use milk or water, whichever way you think, or whichever way you love it. So we are going to mix until it makes a very nice paste and a very nice mixture. Mix everything evenly, every corner. Make sure everything is balanced well, everything is mixed well. So after mixing, we're gonna fry them. Yeah, after mixing, we're gonna fry them, and then we see the outcome. But please enjoy the video. If you are joining now, you are making carrot pancakes. They kinda stuck, so you should be careful not to spread everything everywhere. So we are making carrot pancakes. So guys, enjoy the video. As you enjoy, make sure you have subscribed, please. Make sure you have shared, and make sure to leave a nice comment in the comment section, please. So please enjoy the video as we make this recipe. And this recipe will do well for those people who sometimes you wake up and then you find out that you are late going to work. This will work magic to you. Please try this. So please enjoy the video, guys.
Tangled lights, hand in hand through endless nights. Christmas magic in your eyes. Softly whisper warm goodbyes. In this moment, hold me tight. Silent night, a love so bright. Cocoa breath and scented pine. Under mistletoe divine. Soft whispers in the midnight air, fingers tracing love in patterns rare. Heartbeats sink in a neon glow. Pull me in, don't let me go. Weightless in your gravity, lost inside your melody. Every touch, electric tides, two souls dancing intertwined. Hold me closer, don't let time slip away. Feel the rhythm, let our hearts lead the way. Every moment, every breath, every sigh, we are endless under moonlit skies. Hold me closer, whisper low. Let me feel you in my soul. One more moment, one more night.
So we are done guys. You can see we are done. They are so yummy. They are so yummy and soft. Very soft. You can't even see or know the carrots are in unless you look closer. So we are done. And remember, kids at home, you can do this for them. Schools are closed in Kenya, kids are home for 2 months. This is a solution for you, my fellow moms. You can do just this for them. Remember, it has carrots, so they'll gain a lot if you give them something that has two different ingredients. It's like 2 in 1. So please try this at home. Try this, and it was so yummy. It was so yummy, guys. It was so yummy. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, liking, and sharing. Please consider subscribing. Please leave a comment in the comment section. And see you in the next video. And please enjoy your holidays.